Unwrap the popcorn. Look for this side up. Open the door. Place popcorn inside. Close the door. Press cook time. Press 200. Press start. Open the door. The popcorn is hot. Grab the corner. Close the door. Pinch the top of the bag. Open the bag. Pour the popcorn into the bowl. Enjoy!